Welcome to another exciting episode of Swadesi Startup Speaks. Today we explore India's dynamic startup ecosystem from rising tech hubs and AI innovations to homegrown defense solutions. We'll dive into the latest events, funding trends, and the power of local solutions driving growth across various sectors, including drones, AI, and logistics. The IDFC First Bank Emerge Beachside Startup Festival returns for its second edition from January 31st to February 2nd alongside the Mangaluru Beach Festival, themed Silicon Beach of India. The event highlights coastal cities as emerging innovation hubs featuring startup showcases, investor meetups, panel discussions, and expert-led workshops across tech, fintech, health tech, and green innovation. A major attraction is the Investor Connect program, enabling one-on-one meetings between startups and investors. The festival aims to spotlight India's next wave of entrepreneurs offering funding and mentorship opportunities. Visit www.sectioninfin8.org for details. Messe Stuttgart. India has partnered with Startup India for Logimat India 2025 to support logistics startups amid declining investments. Despite India's logistics market projected to reach $357.3 billion by 2030, funding in the sector dropped from $25.6 billion in 2021 to $2.9 billion in 2023 due to high interest rates and a global slowdown. Logimat India 2025 aims to enhance operational efficiency and align with the Viksit Bharat 2047 vision and PM Gati Shakti initiative. The Startup Pavilion will showcase innovations in automation, robotics, IoT, and more, offering startups a launchpad to connect with investors and industry leaders. Finland Ambassador Kimmo Läänevirta expressed excitement over the growing cooperation between Indian and Finnish startups during the Polar Bear pitching session in New Delhi. He highlighted India's potential for Finnish startups to scale and encouraged Indian entrepreneurs to explore Finland, a renowned startup hub. Finland has established ties with Kerala's startup mission, with more entrepreneurs from the region participating in this event. Läänevirta emphasized strong commercial cooperation, particularly in telecommunications, IT, and sustainability, where Finnish companies are providing advanced solutions. He noted that the collaboration offers numerous opportunities for mutual growth. In 2024, India's AI startup ecosystem raised $166 million across 32 funding rounds, a significant decline from $518.2 million in 2022. Despite this, over 6,200 AI startups are operating with more than 100 securing funding. The number of deals has increased, signaling growing interest in early-stage investments. India saw 6 unicorns in 2024, including Krutrim AI, the first AI unicorn of the year, valued at $1 billion. Although funding dropped by 26%, the number of deals rose to 121, highlighting the sector's potential. The government is committed to AI innovation with initiatives like the India AI Mission, investing Rs 1,300 crore, and plans to deploy 10,000 GPUs, signaling India's intent to lead globally in AI. While funding has slowed the rise of unicorns and the government's support demonstrate India's growing importance in AI. India's startup ecosystem is set for a record IPO surge in 2025, with nearly double the number of public listings compared to 2024. Staragri, anticipated to be the first profitable agri-tech company to go public, is leading the charge. The company recently filed its draft red herring prospectus for an IPO worth Rs 450 crore, marking a significant milestone for the agri-tech sector. Other startups expected to join the IPO wave include Zepto Physics Wala, Cardeco, Ecom, Express, Other Energy, Bluestone, Boat Payu, and Incred. This surge reflects growing investor confidence in India's startup ecosystem, attracting both domestic and international capital. The influx of IPOs underscores the resilience and growth of India's startup sector, solidifying the country's position as a global innovation hub. DeepSeek R1, developed with under $6 million in funding, has disrupted the AI ecosystem, challenging the belief that groundbreaking AI requires massive investments. Its success has highlighted that innovation doesn't depend solely on capital offering a blueprint for Indian startups to build competitive AI models at lower costs. India's growing AI ambitions, supported by initiatives like the Rs 1 in 300 crore India AI mission, align with DeepSeek's example. Experts emphasize the need to attract global talent, create localized AI solutions, and prioritize cost effective innovation. DeepSeek underscores the potential for India to lead in AI by fostering local solutions, developing talent, and challenging industry giants with the opportunity to set new benchmarks in global AI development. India must shift focus from relying on global tech giants to fostering homegrown, efficient innovations. DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup, demonstrated that success doesn't require massive investments, but vision efficiency and optimized resources. This approach has disrupted global tech markets, highlighting the potential for cost effective solutions. Manoj Danda, founder of UTO, emphasizes that India has the talent and resources to create transformative technologies but needs a mindset shift towards self reliance and optimization. He advocates for India to build affordable, efficient cloud solutions, challenging the dominance of international providers. The success of DeepSeek is a wake up call for India's tech industry to believe in its own capabilities and prioritize innovation over resources. India's future in AI and cloud lies in confidence and creating world class homegrown solutions. Odisha-based startup IG Drones has secured a contract with the Indian Army to supply advanced indigenous drone systems, including vertical takeoff and landing and first-person view drones. This deal supports India's push for homegrown technology and reduced dependency on foreign, particularly Chinese components. The drones are designed to enhance the Army's operational capabilities, with the VTOL Skyhawk offering superior flexibility in mountainous terrains and areas with limited runways. The FPV drones enable real-time reconnaissance for improved security operations. This contract aligns with government initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, reinforcing India's focus on indigenous defense technologies. The Indian drone sector is booming with government support, driving rapid growth, positioning India as a global leader in drone technology. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is scheduled to visit New Delhi on February 5, 2025, although the plans are not yet finalized. During his visit, Altman is expected to meet with senior government officials. This trip comes amid growing legal issues OpenAI is facing in India. Altman last visited India in June 2023, where he met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. His upcoming visit is expected to address matters related to OpenAI's presence in the country, including potential regulatory challenges. That's a wrap for today's episode. India's startup scene is evolving rapidly, and we are here to keep you updated with the latest trends, events, and success stories. Stay tuned for more in depth discussions on the entrepreneurs shaping the future of our nation.